Will Trump make English the national language of America? Why has no language been given this status yet? US President Donald Trump may sign an executive order on Friday declaring English as the official language of the country. What Trump announced? US President Donald Trump, after taking office for his second term, is making several significant decisions. In this regard, he has now made a major decision regarding the national language of the United States. On Friday, President Trump announced that he would declare English as the national language of America. It is noteworthy that until now, the United States has not officially declared a national language. However, English is the most widely spoken, written, and understood language in the US. Many states in America have given English the status of the official language. With Trump's announcement for the first time in the 250-year history of the US, a language will be officially designated as the national language. It is worth mentioning that during his presidential campaign, Trump had criticized the use of other language in the US. Last year, he said in a conference, "Our country has so many languages. The strangest thing is that some of these languages are ones that no one has ever heard of in this country." Recently, a report discussing the possibilities of declaring English the national language of the US, stating that if Trump passes this executive order, it will make a major shift in US language policy. Now let us know what happened if English declared as a national language. Trump's order will overturn a previous directive by former President Bill Clinton, which instructed government agencies to provide assistance in language other than English. Under the new order, government agencies will have the authority to decide whether or not to offer multilingual service. Although the US has never had an official language, English has been prominently used in key documents such as Constitution and the Declaration of Independence. With English gaining official language status, the US will join the 180 countries where English is used as an official language. At last, before making this decision to declare English as the official language, Trump had already made several decisions that shocked the nation and the world. Trump has played a key role in attempting to end the Israel-Palestine conflict as well as the ongoing Russia-Ukraine conflict. Additionally, he has made decisions such as removing illegal immigrants from the US and introducing the gold card for US citizenship.